Today we are talking about a super cool product. If you're looking for some cash, you want to tap into that equity in your house, but you don't want to mess with your first mortgage interest rate, etc. I get it. This is the product for you. It's super cool. It's a home equity line of credit. It's a second mortgage essentially behind your first mortgage. So you're not messing with that interest rate. The application's like 5 minutes to fill out. I should say application and underwriting, and it can fund in as quick as 5 days. We see it fund in about 5 to 10 days on average. But this is great for consolidating credit card debt. If you're looking to move up or move down, and you need a bridge loan, this is a fantastic option. If you're looking to buy an investment property, I have someone doing that. I even have someone who's just using it to go on vacation. So super cool line of credit, great for emergencies, etc. Any more questions, freshhomeloan.com. I'm Garrick Wordmuller, President, CEO. You can scan that QR code as well. Thanks for sharing this too, by the way, to anyone who can use my assistance. I appreciate you watching. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people.